Okay, so lesson one, My God is Glorious for Beginners. So we have four chords. We have a C chord, we have a G chord. If you notice again, I'm doubling my left hand, which means when I press a C chord, I support it with my thumb on a C below for a deeper sound. And if I really want some kind of power, I even double this left hand C with the C even deeper. So we've got a C chord, we've got a G chord, we have an A chord, and we have a F chord. And really and truly, that's all there is. So you've got C chords first, and we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4. Counting is important because it helps us to understand when a possible chord change will happen, which usually after 4. So let's see what happens here. 1, 2, 3, 4, change the G. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's practice that. If you want to know what I'm doing there, I'm going E, D, C before I start with a 1 count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Change to G. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Change to G. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, I'm doing the chords of C and G. Just quick recap. On a C chord, we have our fingers on each note from C. And for the chords we are playing, we only use the 1 finger, the 3 finger, and the 5th finger on the chord, that shape. And from that shape, we transfer to the G. Thumb moves to G, the same shape. Alright, so just to make sure you understand that. After the G, we're going to have an A chord with just 1 step over. Same shape. So let's try this now. We've got 3 chords now, each having 4 beats. 3, 4 to G. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then to A. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you notice, this may be confusing if you are a total beginner. I went from C to G. That might be a bit strange because you may think that C, it would easily go this way to G, because C, D, E, F, G, we can do that. And if that's easier for you for now, let's go that way. 1, 2, 3, 4 to G. 1, 2, 3, 4 to A. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last chord is F, which is before G. 1, 2, 3, 4. And believe it or not, that's the whole song. Next lesson, we're going to try and spice it up a bit. So see you there in video 2.